Headshots and resumes on this side right here. Sides and scripts on the left side. Film, television credits, theater, my training, special skills like DJing, accents, singer, rapper, dancer, all my other performing artist skills. And there we go. So that's how to prepare your headshot and resume for distribution.
Yeah. Hi. You're awesome. You poked me with your Ow.
I'm alive, baby. Filming a movie.
April and Days. D-A-I-S.
That's right. You need some gingers. There you go. Set life.
Nice.
Want to keep it nice and clean, not freak out and cause a scene. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Not sure who I really am, just be cute and super bland. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high?
Please like, please share, please subscribe. Thank you for watching DJTV.
Record on, hit it.
You are now watching DJTV. Church.
What's good, my YouTube fam bam? Another day of audition out in West Hollywood, La Brea, and Santa Monica. Oh, I got a package. This must be my okay, I know what this is. I had a Mercari order return. I guess the girl was too fat and she couldn't fit into my jeans, so she returned them. Is it my fault you're too fat? I'll come back for that. Yesterday, because I had a pretty busy day. 3 at Hollywood Casting and Film. I submitted on LA Casting. My manager actually got the call back. So my manager is the one that told me that I have an audition. So, gotta give him my 10%, but it's all good. I wouldn't have gotten the audition if it weren't for my manager, right? So, it. He deserves his 10%. We're heading out now to West Hollywood. Let's go. Off to Hollywood. Booyah! I got 2 auditions to rock, both for feature films, a comedy and a drama. Beast mode grinding, chase that dream, baby. The dream ain't gonna chase itself. Let's go. Alright, I'll be there. Off to WeHo. Welcome to Hollywood. Where we turn dreams into reality. Church.
Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. I know what you want.
Chase that dream, baby. Let's go.
I know it breaks your heart.
This asshole. Fucking Angelino. I was there yesterday. Hollywood Casting and Film. Grind mode, baby.
You hear them calling, shouting your name. Turn up the collar and walk away. Feels like you're falling.
Here we are. We rocking this. Wish me luck, man. I'm about to beast this shit out. We got a comedy audition for some feature film, and we got another one for another web series. We got some YouTube producers casting. Perfect spot, folks. I gotta get in character right now. I got my scripts right over here. Got all my headshots right over here. Headshots. Drug dealer look. That one's cool too. Here. 18 to play younger. High school look. Suit and tie look. College kid look. The punk look. Clean cut look. And we got this look too. Another college kid look. These are all my looks. This actor. He drives a Prius too. How many actors drive Priuses? It's like every actor I know drives a Prius, yo. Anyways, last page. And this the other one. I gotta staple my 10x8 headshot with the resume. You know, in the library with those slicing things, you slice it up to exactly 10x8. Then you put the resume behind in the back of your headshot, so it fits perfectly. If this is too big, it's gonna be sticking out and it's gonna look so unprofessional. You wanna trim your resume so it's exactly 10x8. Now it's perfect, see? Nothing is overlapping, see? You staple the 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Staple the 4 corners from here. So the front of the staple is on the headshot. The folding part of the staple is back here. So make sure it's lined up evenly so nothing sticks out. Remember, this is the front right here, so that's why I'm doing this backwards. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Staple the 4 corners. 10x8 headshot with a 10x8 resume stapled to it, just like that, folks. You can use white paper. I use green because you give it a unique look, make it stand out. So imagine with the stack of headshots that's there, mine's gonna be the only green one, and everyone's gonna all have white. Here's the one green one. It'll stand out. You know what I mean? So when they're going through the headshots, they're like, "Oh, what's this?" The only resume that's green. It stands out. There you go. There's my bad boy look right there. If I get called in for any like drug dealer roles, bad boy roles, you know, villain, protagonist, whatever, this is what I use. Bad boy role. For the second audition, I'm playing the antagonist, a good guy. I'm supposed to be like the boyfriend of the lead. I'm gonna use this for that role. Actually, no, I should use this. I'm gonna use this instead because it said come looking 20 to 23 years old. Which one looks younger? My character is 20 to 23 years old. I have to use a headshot where I look like I'm in my 20s. Which one do I look younger in? This one or this one? I think I look younger in this one. This is more for like a business professional role. So I'm gonna go with this. I look young, so. Trim, put it in that little, like, you know, back in art class, those paper slicers had a stack of resumes. 10x8. Like that. Stack it up. And there we go. And again, we line it up so it doesn't overlap, it doesn't stick out on the sides, it looks all tacky. We staple the 4 corners. There we go. 10x8 headshot with my 10x8 resume. Got my manager right there, my contact information, phone number, email. Got also my manager's phone number as well. And my talent manager is on the top right, and my agency's in the bottom. My agency's contact information right there. Film credits, television credits, theater, my training, and then special skills like DJing, you know, accents. I'm a singer, rapper, dancer, you know, all my other performing artist skills. And there we go. Basically, just have a stack of these. Have a stack of headshots and a stack of resumes. So when you're ready to go to auditions, you're ready. You know, everything's all stacked up. I have like 8 different looks. Like, I'm getting called in for a bad boy role. All right, then I'll bring this. I have about 30 of these. Oh, I'm getting called in for a college role. I'll bring this. Another bad boy role? Alright, here's another bad boy look for you guys. I have a few bad boy looks. You know, more like a young bad boy, gangster look. It's more of my conservative. So if I need a conservative, I got the conservative right here. This is more like a business professional, but an edgy business professional. A high school look. If I get called in for like a high school scene or a college kid, I would use this. And there's another one. My manager fixed this up. Just have a stack at my house, so when I'm ready to do auditions, boom, you know, ammunition's loaded. Like, okay, we need a business look, I bring these. A college kid look, all right, bring this. A hipster, oh, okay, got this. You know, it's like, I got them all, folks. They're all my looks, so be good. Let's go rock this audition, folks. And I got my sides as well. And here are my sides right here. I've been sitting here for the past 20 minutes. I've just been reading my scripts, studying. All right, there we go. I put all my headshots and resumes on this side right here, and then I put my sides and scripts on the left side. Just like that. Alright, let's do this. And there we go! So that's how to prepare your headshot and resume for distribution. Let's go rock this, baby. Wish me luck. Off to the audition.
Lucky, lucky, lucky me.